Hey guys, welcome. So how do you go from domain to domain, from Namecheap to Godaddy? So first and foremost, let's just go ahead and search on the site here. Or you could just basically go vice versa. You could go to Godaddy first if that's the platform that you use. And this one, I'm going to just go ahead to the Namecheap because I actually have an account on this one. So what you're going to do is just go ahead and search the domain that are affiliated to GoDaddy, or you can basically just purchase it directly to commence the domain transfer itself. So in here on my account, let's just go ahead and first and foremost go ahead and search the GoDaddy here. I'm sorry, it's in all caps. So once you've searched it, there's a bunch of options that are free, so to say, but in this case there's no free one right now, so it depends on time to time. You can actually make offer here, you can add to cart if you want to, and yeah, just basically submit your payment here basically to commence the initial owning of a domain. So that's just it, guys. Thank you so much for watching, and you guys have a nice day.